Why can I get something for free? I'm new. Sure, pick whatever you want. Hero, I'm new too. Alright, take anything you want. You're not new at all. Does not matter. You're a scammer. Why did you steal his brain red? Because he pretended to be new. Wow, that's not nice. Subscribe to me so he gets punished. I'm sorry for him. It's okay.